Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm BKD, and for today's video we're doing another creative idea. So we'll be making a giant wreath out of tulips. To start off, we're going to cut a giant circle out of cardboard. So I used this skirt to measure the size. So next I'm going to show you guys the tulips we'll be using. I did get these from Michael, so I got 9 of the hot pink tulips and then 9 of the light pink tulips. I realized that this still wouldn't be enough if I wanted to have these tulips really closely together. So I decided it might be better to cover up the cardboard with some green paper first. So this is the green paper I'll be using. We're just going to lay it out. You don't even have to tape it down, and just leave a little spot so that you can stand it. After you've laid out your green paper, this is kind of the look that you should have for your cardboard circle. So as you can see, I left a little circle in the middle, so this is what I was talking about, so you have a place to stand. So you don't have to worry about covering it, and you don't have to worry about wasting so much tape. So now we can start adding the tulips. And this is what it looks like once you add your tulips around the complete circle. So as you can see, this footage is a little bit brighter than what I was showing you guys before, and that's because I started setting up at night, because that's when I realized the tulips have arrived. But the next step we're going to be doing is adding in some vines. Basically, we're just going to cover up the stems of the tulip. So this looks so much better now that we've added the vines. It's covering up the stems. It looks a lot more filled, so it kind of looks like a real wreath to me. So the next part of our DIY video, we're going to start moving on into taking the pictures. So if you're new to my channel and you're wondering how in the heck did I set up my phone this way to take this type of video or photo, basically I'm using a piece of velcro on the backdrop stand pole and also on the back of my cell phone. I did this in a previous video where I was laying down a pile of flowers. And for this photo, I did have to squat down a little bit lower because its skirt is so big, and my ceiling was kind of a low ceiling, so I couldn't take the backdrop stand as high as I wanted. So you guys may have to squat a little to get your full face in the photo. This photo is actually my favorite, but I will show you guys the other photos as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.